So in today's video, we're going to be looking at the US dollar index. Now, as a trader, if you trade and you're trading any USD currency pairs, this is something I haven't done a video about, but I felt like let me implement this in my videos because it's very, very important to see as a whole what is USD doing. Now, this is something I use mainly when I am trading gold or I'm trading any USD currency pairs. This is because it shows me where gold could be, USD could be heading. Now, it's really, really important as a trader to understand where a currency pair is heading, especially when you're looking at USD, because USD can show great moves, it can show great strengths and great weaknesses, and it can manipulate big currency pairs such as gold. Okay, now as a trader, you need to understand that there's loads of things manipulating this market, and you need to understand that you need to look greater than just looking at a currency pair. You need to look at other currency pairs. For example, when I'm looking at gold, I look at Euro USD as well. I look at the US dollar index, and I also look at the fundamental analysis. Okay, now when you build all of this together, you then have a trading plan, you then have analysis, you then have moves that you can take to then trade, and then you're more confident than just looking at one currency pair and just saying, okay, I'm looking to buy or I'm looking to sell. Okay, so this video is primarily a primary reason for you to either place buys or place sells on the currency pair that you're looking at that is against US dollar. Okay, so looking at USD, so the US dollar index, you can see we've been in a long-term short downtrend, right? A long-term downtrend. We've been quite bearish with USD, and it makes sense because of the recession, because of a lot of weaknesses in USD, and we've seen a lot of currency pairs show great strengths. USD is going to look bearish. But last week we saw something different. We saw something very, very interesting, and this is what, this is the reason why I wanted to make a video, is because this is a reason why, we now need to change our, plan, our trading plan. We need to change it because we were bearish. Anyone that trades USD index, that, sales was hitting nice profits until sales then hit stop loss. And this is very, very important as a trader, is knowing that when you hit a stop loss, you need to reanalyze, you need to look at the market. Usually I don't look at the dollar index as much, maybe once a week, but this time I had to look at it again because we've seen levels get smashed and now we're heading for a retest. So what is my idea with USD, and what do I think is going to happen with USD as a whole? Now, looking at gold, looking at Euro USD that we've done throughout the week, looking at last week, we were very, very bearish in gold. I personally believe that USD could be heading towards the upside. Okay, and we could be seeing price, obviously not as high as this is just me drawing, but we could see price looking to see price get to this high over here. And if I just draw out an area at this high, we can see price wasn't that far off. We can see price was pretty close. And I feel like price is now heading towards the upside. And I feel like now is a very, very good opportunity for you to be placing buys and being bullish with USD currency pairs. Okay, and with this is this is the 2-hour time frame. Again, because I don't trade US dollar index, I like to use the 2 hours to just see roughly what's going on the 4-hour chart and roughly what's going on the 1-hour chart. This just basically summarizes them both together and tell me exactly where USD could be heading. Looking at the market, you can just see, let me just make this blue because we are looking to go up. You can see that price could be heading towards the upside. Now, the reason why I chose this area, which is 103.400, is because price rejected here multiple times. You can see this is where price was a lot of traders will call this a floor and then turn into a ceiling, where then price then showing great impulse to the downside. Again, price showing great impulse to the downside. Broke levels here, then broke levels again over here. So price could be heading towards there. Again, if I decided to do a let's have a look at a retracement. Okay, so if we do a Fibonacci retracement, just looking at where price is heading at the moment, price is at its 38.2% extension. Again, you know, USD we are at the start of the week, so USD can change with, you know, we've got NFP next week, we've got great fundamental news that can affect the market. But as a technical side, I do believe that price could be going towards, you know, the 103.500 at least. That's an area where I'm interested in. That's an area where my targets will be, and when price gets to there, I will slow down with my, you know, bullish with USD. Now, this is very important because when you look at gold, when you look at, you know, Euro USD, when you look at any USD currency pairs like USD JPY, you will understand that price is, you know, at a level where is very, very bullish on USD. Okay, especially on gold. You can see that, you know, gold is quite weak. I said it on my gold video as well, that, you know, gold USD is showing strength. Again, it could just be a short-term strength, but we have to, as a day trader, we have to, you know, utilize that moment and just place as many buys towards the USD or place as many sells, you know, against gold to then profit. Okay, now again, if you do look at the US dollar index, this is my analysis. This is where I feel like USD index is headed to, the DXY. I feel like this is an area, once price gets to here, I will do another analysis video. Again, where we're looking at now, price looks like it's rejecting off our moving average, it's rejecting off our 38.2 extension Fibonacci level, and price could be, you know, going back to where price was moving a lot. Okay, now again, when price gets to here, it can just drop down, you know, all the way back down, and then continue its downtrend, continue going towards the downside. It can do that, and I mean, when price gets to that level, we will have a look at it. But at the moment, this is where I think price is heading to, and this is where my bias is with the US dollar index. Okay, other than that, guys, again, if you love the way I analyze the market, if you like the way everything's organized, you like the way I trade, you like my videos, go check out all my other videos. First of all, I've tried to produce at least 2 to 3 videos a week. I think this week is a special week. I'm going for at least 4 to 5 videos. So if you see a load of uploads this week, it's your lucky day. Make sure you go subscribe, hit that like button, and go check out my free Discord server where I show my analysis, I show where price could be heading to, I show my trades, and we just help each other as a community. Again, if you need any tips, any, you know, motivation, go check out my Instagram as well. We're a very fast growing community on Instagram as well. I'm very thankful for the community that we've got on Instagram, but make sure you go check it out and follow there as well. Other than that, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you leave a like, and I'll see you lot in my next trading video.